Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. So the website name is cake.me. So this is a website. So there you can search the jobs. There you can search the company themed jobs, and you can see there is some kind of different tools like the resume builder, resume templates, resume examples. So this is a site. So this site is highly relevant for the recruiter, the recruitment industry. So if you are in the same, so definitely you can consider this site. So there you can create your backlink and your profile. Otherwise, you can also create your backlink in this website because this is recruitment and the job portal site, so it is relevant for the every and the all industry. So it has also the all industry in the category section, so you can create your backlink in this website, and this is a very good website. Okay, so before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharyaf, this website domain rating is 76, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 69, and the spam score is only 1%. And if we can check this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 1.6 million monthly visits, and the mostly traffic from Taiwan, Indonesia, Vietnam, India, and USA. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source from that kind of countries, then definitely you can create your backlink in this website. Okay, either if you are a business owner, so definitely you can list your business in this website. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you can see there are some different options: search, talent search, pricing. So first, simply you can click on the sign up option. There you can put your name, so jobma. Then here you can add your email address. Then after you can choose your password, and after you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you can click on the sign up button. So you can see our account is successfully created. There is a two option. So you can select employer. I want to post job and hire great talent. So you can select this option. Then after it will be ask you for the your role at your work. So you can select your roles like the hiring manager. So then after you can click on the continue, and you see there is first we can upload our profile picture. So you can click on the upload image. Then after you can click on this, and you can scroll. Oh, sorry, you can select your profile image. Then after you can click on the save button. So profile image is uploaded, and if you're wanting to upload your background image, so you can see there is a background image option. You can click on this. Okay, so right now it is no, yeah, it is clickable. Then after you can select your background image, click on this. Okay, so what I can do, I can select that much. So profile image is uploaded. Then after you can put your phone number, your contact details, where all the file are, and after you can select your description. So what is asking, yeah, contact number. So you can put your contact number here. Then after you, if you're wanting, so you can change your email, because this email should be going to display on your profile. So you can change your image as well, and you can see there is what your profession. So you can select your profession, so like the biomedical, construction. So you can select your company business nature. So we are recruitment agency. So let me see if is there anything IT, HR, finance, HR. Then after HR manager, professional recruiter, technology educator, salary, HR specialist, HR development and the training. HR development and training. Then you can select some different categories: recruiter, HR business partner. Yeah, this is HR specialist. Yeah. So I selected three categories. Basically, you can call categories or tag. It is up to you. And you can see there is a headline option. So let me open the website, video interviewing software. This is our first website. So it is asking a headline. So you can always try to put your main headline, like AI hiring platform, hire better and faster with AI, hiring interview better and faster with Jobma video interview, Jobma video interview software. Let me use this. Then after, you can see there is a location. So let me use the location. This is our Minnesota. This is a state where our business headquarters are located. State of Minnesota, United States. Then after, you can click on the continue. So overall, we submitted all the information. Then after, it will be ask you or notify you, so you can verify your email. So let me open our Gmail. It sended a confirm email address. Confirm token is invalid. Resend invalid confirmation. So let me check again. Okay, so I guess I submitted a different email address, so that's why it has happened again, might be. Yeah, you can see when I've submitted this email, so it will be if it is fetched this email. So first you can verify your profile, then after you can try to change your email address, I guess. You are already signed in. Let me go to the dashboard. Resend. I guess guys, I made one mistake because I changed here my different here I changed my email address, so it is sended a confirmation email as well for the different account. So that's why the things are happening. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things now, so the site will send you the activation email. So you can click on the confirm email address because I just created a different account on this for this company, a DML training. So this is a process. So how you can verify your profile. Once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the continue button. Then after you can click on the continue, send verification email. Might it is a send a code. It will be going to send me the code. Yeah, I received. This is the code GZ. Then after you can click on the done. So our email is successfully verified. So you can see create a company. So then it will be asked you, so you can create your company. So let's put it the name, and it will be asked you for the your category: industry, service, education, training, and recruitment. So this is our category. Country is United States, so you can select your country. Then after you can click on the continue. So job posting, let's just start. Talent search, manage applicant, and talent base. Not sure yet. Visit the home page. So you can see your company page has not been upgraded for job posting. To post job, please check the okay, upgrade the plan. Okay, so this is asking you so you can upgrade the plan. Okay, so overall we listed the company. So let's click on this job posting, user dashboard, homepage, talent search. So this is a user dashboard. So what the user account we created, and this is a Jobma. This is a company. Let's try to update the information. Candidate, create career page, company settings. Let's see, company is Jobma, Google job search, create a career page. Okay, so you can also, there is an option, so you can create a career page. And the teams, recruitment consultant. Is there any option so that we all companies, okay, manage company, transfer, create company, join company, manage company. Let's see, recent updated jobs. Okay, add jobs, candidate, emails, send emails, job invite, honor. Okay, so overall, this is the things that what you can do in this website. Employer branding, I guess there is a something different things. Employer branding, okay, let's ignore it. Career page, company setting. Okay, so from there you can change your company URL only. Create a career page. Let's try to create a career page. Tax VAT logo, cover page, tax ID number. So it is asking the tax ID number. So if you have a tax ID number, so that you can create your company page. Let me try if I have JobMa tax number might be listed somewhere. If we have, no, I guess we don't have JobMa tax ID. Phone number, revenue is this. Okay, so we don't have a tax option. So let me try to fill 1, 2, 3, choose the logo. Then after, let's choose the cover image. Then we can click on the continue. Okay, so in the tax, you can fill whatever you want. Sector is recruitment, number of employers 200 to 500, address. So there you can put your company address. Here you can put your website URL. Then here you can add your company description. So Jobma, this is the company description. And after, let's add this one. And also I have the another description. So once you guys will complete these things, then after, if you're wanting so hyperlink any specific keywords, so AI powered video interview in platform, so you can hyperlink it. From there, you can select a keyword. You can see there is a link option. You can click on this, click on the insert link, and after you can click on the insert button. So your link is hyperlink. Your keyword is hyperlinked. Then after you can click on the continue. Here you can put your company phone number, company email address. Let's try to add the company email address here. The contact person is Ravindra, and her contact number is Abhishek Mandeep Singh Sodhi. This is the contact person. I understand, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after you can click on the done button. So publish career page. Then after, let's publish career page. So you can see we successfully published our career page. If I can copy this, and if I can open in incognito, we will, okay, so they will review the information provided by your company within the 2 working days. During the period your job posting will not be cake job search, we will inform you via email when the review is completed. Okay, so once you guys will publish your career page on this website, so they will their moderation team will review your career page, and once it will looks the genuine things, then they will gonna to publish your career page publicly. Okay, so overall this is the process. So how you can create your company business page, and your career page, and your profile page in this website. So overall this is the process, so how you can create these things. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.